there I was, minding my own business, popping the bubble wrap left over from opening a package. And I was trying to clean up the kitchen. I was doing it one-handed because I needed the other hand to pop the bubble wrap. And I noticed this. Look at that grime. Look at that buildup. Like, it's horrible. And like, we use that as clean drinking water. And so it got me thinking, what about the bathroom faucet? What does it look like? Does it look like that? It better not look like that. So, field trip to the bathroom. Bathroom faucet. Yeah, looks like it has a bit of buildup. The other bathroom faucet. Well, it's in much better shape, but it still has some buildup. And so I determined it is time to teach you, maybe myself, how to clean the buildup off of your faucets without very much work, because I'm not really into the whole work real hard thing when it comes to housework. So here you go. This is how you do it. Sandwich bag for each faucet. Sandwich baggie, baggie, baggie. I wonder if you could blow these up and pop them. Okay, I'm not very good at blowing these up, but we're going to try this. Oh yeah. Yep, you can. You can blow them up and pop them. And vinegar. Vinegar. This vinegar is cleaning vinegar. It's just a slightly stronger vinegar, but really any vinegar will work. It just will take a little bit longer depending on what kind of vinegar you use. So, vinegar, vinegar, and a sandwich baggie. So, over to the faucet we go. Oh, and I forgot, you also need a rubber band. Rubber band. Open up your baggie. Okay, I can do this. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. That's right. I just opened the vinegar. Maybe. I think I opened the vinegar. Open vinegar. Come on. I thought I opened it. Oh, I did. I opened the vinegar, and I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so vinegar. Fill up your baggie. Oops. With vinegar. Some of it will spill. Just be aware. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to immerse the head of the faucet in the vinegar. Now I'm going to use my rubber band it in place. So the head of the faucet is soaking in the vinegar. In case you're wondering, I did put this on wrong. You're not supposed to put the rubber band around the bag like this. This is just not right. Don't do it this way. Like, yeah. The way that you're supposed to put the rubber band around the bag is you're supposed to grab the bag like this and get this like part right here, and then you just rubber band this one tiny little part over here. Yeah. Like this. It all worked out, but I did do it the hard way. And does that surprise anybody? No, it does not. Now, wash your hands. Except for you have to do it in a different sink because, well, yeah, that. Ugh. Okay. They smell like Easter eggs. Okay, so I decided I could only do 2 of the faucets, and the third one will have to wait until a different day, or at least a different time, because, well, we need at least 1 faucet to wash our hands off with, and so we're only doing 2 different faucets today. We have waited long enough. We have been busy doing lots of other fun things while we waited. That is my favorite kind of cleaning, waiting, because it means I'm not actually scrubbing. Here it is. This is the faucet. Now if you look closely at the water, you can actually see like things like the mineral deposits that have popped off of the faucet head are like kind of floating in the bag. See all the mineral deposits in there? Can you see all that? All the floaties? There are a lot of floaties. They may not be showing up very well on camera, but there are an awful lot of floaties. A cleaning toothbrush! And you can see that the mineral deposits are basically off, and I am just going to very lightly, actually this is super light, very lightly brush off all the extras that didn't just pop off. And, oh, well, that was not what I meant to do. Kind of sprayed the ground. Let's see how clean it is. Is it seriously dripping? Did you see this? Yeah, it's not actually dripping. What actually is happening is that some of the vinegar got inside there, and I just need to drip it out. Check this out. See how clean that is? It's very, very clean. Very, 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 very clean. That's my kind of cleaning. Put the cleaner there, let it sit, come back a few hours later, and voila, it is beautiful. And this is something I can actually drink water out of. Like I could use this water to cook with. I was really wondering about the other, because the mineral deposits were very bad. Yucky. Now, let's go check on the bathroom. That is super clean. Yeah, like brand spanking new super clean. Love it. That's something I can drink out of when I brush my teeth and need to spit. That is how you clean the mineral deposits off of the faucet in the bathroom. Off of the head of the faucet, I should say. The head of the faucet in the bathroom. So that it is clean again. So that you don't have to feel disgusted when you take a drink out of it. I'll see you next time on A Lovely Life. Lazy